Hi, my name is Roberto Berbera and this is the demonstration of the Indicate eCulture Science Gateway. The starting point of this demonstration is the Indicate project's website that you can reach at www.indicate-project.eu. On the home page, on the left frame, among the other options, you have eCulture Science Gateway. Clicking on the link, you are then redirected to the eCulture Science Gateway itself. Here on the left frame, you can see the 3 repositories which are currently inserted and available through the Science Gateway. In this short demonstration, I will show you how to sign in on the eCulture Science Gateway and browse one of the repositories. So this is what I'm gonna do. I will click on sign in, and now I will then quickly redirected to the Identity Federation Discovery Service, where you can see on the left the identity federations that we currently support with their identity providers. I will select our catch-all identity federation, the grid identity pool, and I will select the IDPCT identity provider, which is our catch-all identity provider. I'll click on select, and then I will be redirected to the login page of the identity provider. I will insert my credentials, and then I will click on login, and shortly I will be redirected to the eCulture Science Gateway, logged in, as you can see here on the top right frame. As you can see on the left, next to each repository, you have the browse button. Clicking on the browse button, you can actually browse and browse the contents and download them. So this is something that we will be doing in a moment. I click on browse, and I will access the repository. So I open the scan document, and I will select manuscript. And this is the list of manuscripts. The system is loading the manuscript, and these are the thumbnails, the file name, the description, the keyword, and the other parameters like file type, the size of the file, the submission date, and that's it. If you're clicking on file type, you can reorder the metadata, and for example, I'm choosing here PDF. So I will go back, and then I will select one of the pages. Doing this, the system opens a Google Earth window where I can see the replicas which are available for that particular document. So I will select the replica I want to download, and I will click on download, and the system will start downloading the document. The download is now almost finished. In a moment I will be able to see the page, and you can see here the page of the Roberto work that I selected. I can zoom it, and of course, if I want, I can save it locally. Once this is done, I can go back to the page. I can click the map, and for example, I can browse another repository. This is the repository of the China relics, which have been inserted in the eCulture Science Gateway thanks to the collaboration with the EPIC project. So I can navigate the repository. The repository is actually located in China, and I'm trying only to navigate the metadata. The system is loading the metadata. There they are. So again, the same kind of layout that you've seen before. I can now click on the picture I want to download, and you can see that there's only one copy of this document, which is located in Beijing. So I click and I can download the document, and the document will download in a moment. And the image is actually downloading. I'm fetching the image directly from the storage element using the HTTPS interface of the storage element located in Beijing. The painting is being drawn on the screen. Now the download is complete, and you can see the picture, the complete painting on your screen. Okay, now we can go back to the Science Gateway. I can clock the map, and I can sign out from the system. And you can see in a moment the browse buttons have disappeared, and if I want, I can go back from the starting point. Thank you very much for your attention.